What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find nearby friends on Snapchat. Even though Snapchat removed the Add Nearby Friends feature, there's still a clever workaround to discover users close to you. Start by launching Snapchat and tap on the map icon at the lower left corner of your screen to access the Snap Map. The Snap Map is a dynamic map that displays hotspots of activity with glowing blue or red lights, depending on the number of Snapchat stories posted by users from those areas. When you tap on one of those glowing lights, Snapchat will show you the stories posted from that location. While browsing through these stories, keep an eye out for snap codes or mentions of usernames. Snap codes are unique QR codes that, when scanned, allow you to add someone as a friend on Snapchat instantly. Similarly, if a user mentions their username in a story, you can manually search for it and then send them a friend request. By using the Snap Map to explore stories around your current location, you can discover new friends who share your interest or who are part of your local community. It's a fun and interactive way to expand your Snapchat network based on geographic proximity. And that's all there's to it. By utilizing the Snap Map feature, you can find and connect with Snapchat users near you, even without the direct Add Nearby Friends option. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.